Hello all students, welcome our YouTube channel. Contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment and then SS assignment for Sanjay and then text for project for Sanjay for 2026 semester. So my WhatsApp number show on the PC, so contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for Excel class for Sanjay. So do not waste time for students, so let's start assignment. So then start. Today doing exam and do one text per project for Shali Kashmir collection. So let's start. Do not waste time for student. So then go to the next page and then this page blanks. So next, then blank page, not important. Okay, so next, then blank page. So next, yes. Okay, so then instruction is given to start the Excel and then create the blank workbook. So then already download. So then go to the Sanjay and then download the blank workbook. So then open Excel. Okay. Then next. Okay. So then go back instruction. Okay. So then not important blank page. Okay. So then blank page. So next. So next. Okay. So then click cell A1 and then okay. So then go Excel. Then click cell A1. So then select the cell A1. Okay. Then type the clue catering company budget in cell A1. Okay, so then simply copy the new text clue catering company budget. So then copy, then go Excel again, then select cell A1 and then paste. Okay, so then see no issue. Okay, so next, so then click the enter button. Okay, so then see no issue. Then click cell A2. Okay, so then see instruction next. Then go back and then select cell A2. Okay, already selected. Then type the quarterly estimate. Okay, so then simply copy the quarterly estimate, then copy, then go Excel again, then paste. Okay, so then see no issue. Okay, then next page. So then click cell A3. Okay, so then go back and then select cell A3. Already selected. Okay, then type the income. Okay, so then simply copy, then go back Excel and then paste. Then see no issue. Okay, then next. Okay, so then repeat step 1 and 2, enter the remaining column title, enter quarter 1 and then in cell B3 and then quarter 2 in cell C3. Okay, so then simply copy, then go back Excel and then select cell B3. So then selected. Okay, then paste. Next, then quarter 2 in cell C3. So then copy, then select cell C3 and then paste. Okay, then next quarter 3, then in cell C3. So then selected. Okay, next, then quarter 4 and cell E3. Okay, so then selected and then paste. Okay, then go back and then type the total in cell F3. So then simply copy total, then go back and then select cell F3 and then paste. Okay, then next, then click cell E8. Okay, so then go back, then select cell E8. Okay, then repeat step 1 and then 2, enter the remaining column title that enter the expenses in cell E8. Okay, so then simply copy, then go back, then select cell E8 and then paste. Okay, so then next, then quarter 1 in cell B8. Okay, so then copy, then go back, then paste. Okay, then by mistake, then type the quarter 2 in cell C3. Okay, so then next quarter 2, then copy, then C8. Okay, so then type the C8, then next, quarter 3, then copy, then paste. Okay, then quarter 4 in cell E8, then copy and then paste. Okay, then type the total in cell F8. Okay, so then simply copy and then paste. Okay, so then by mistake, then type the quarter 4. Okay, then next, then see no issue. Okay, so next page, then click cell A4. Okay, so then type the revenue. Okay, so then simply copy, then go back and then select cell A4 and then type revenue. Okay, so then go back instructions. So next, then repeat step 1, enter the remaining row title in cell A column A and then enter the interest in cell A5. Okay, so then simply copy interest, then select cell A5 and then paste. Okay, so next type the total in cell A6, then go instruction again. So next simply copy, so next rent in cell A10, then by mistake then type the payroll in cell A9. Okay, then copy and then select cell A1 and then paste. Okay, so next rent in cell A10. Okay, so then go back and next inventory in cell A11, then select it and then paste. Okay, next simply copy, then go back and then paste. Okay, so next insurance in cell A13, then copy, then paste. Okay, so next then type the gas in cell A14. So long assignment. Okay, so technical project is so long. Okay, so then type the website in cell A15, then next simply copy. Okay, so next copy, then paste. Okay, so then panel is complete. Okay, then one remaining net in cell A20. So then type the net in cell A20. Okay, so then next, then see no issue. Okay, so next blank page. So next, okay, so next instruction. So then select cell B4. Okay, so then go back, then select cell B4. Okay, so then B4. Okay, then type the 7 5000. So then simply copy, then paste 7 5000. Okay, so then next. Okay, so then next simply fill and then next 5 9500. Okay, so then type. Okay, so then see no issue. Okay, so next, then select cell B5. Okay, okay, so then simply copy and then copy, then go back Excel and then select cell 5 and then paste. So then by mistake and then paste. Then see no issue. Okay, so then see. Okay, so next, then simply copy, then copy. Okay, so then go back Excel. So then I will check screenshot image. Okay, so then B9 to cell E17. Okay, so then go back, then selected and then paste new data. So then paste. Okay, so then simply deleted text line. Okay, so then see, then again copy. Okay, so then cut and then select cell B9 to E17. Then see, then paste. Then copy, then cut. Okay, then copy, then see no issue. Okay, so then delete the value and then type the 8000. Okay, then delete it and then type the 2000 20,000. Okay, so then by mistake, then see no issue. I will check screenshot image. Okay, so then see. Okay, so then see same image, no issue. Okay, yes, no issue. Okay, so then blank page. So next, next page. Okay, so then click cell B6. Okay, so then go back and then select cell B6. Okay, then click the auto sum button. Okay, so then go back, then go to the home tab, then click the auto sum, then see. Okay, and see no issue. Okay, so then see same image. Okay, so then repeat step 1 and then to enter the sum function in cell B18. Okay, so then go to the cell B18 and then apply the auto sum function. So then by mistake and then apply the auto sum function, then click OK. So then see no issue. Okay, so next blank page. So next, okay, so blank page. So next, then active cell B6. Okay, so then go back, then active cell B6. Okay, then use the fill handler option. Okay, so then simply fill, then see no issue. Okay, so I will check screenshot image, then see no issue. I have. Okay, so then see. Okay, so next, then repeat step 1 2 and then 3 to copy the sum function in cell B18. Okay, so then go back and then ended E18. Okay, so then see. Okay, so then see no issue. Okay, so I will check screenshot image, then see no issue. Okay, so then next page. So then click cell F8 to active cell. Okay, so then F4. Okay, so then by mistake, then select cell F4. Okay, then click cell F4 and then type the auto sum function. Okay, so then go back, then go to the home tab and then apply the auto sum function. So then say, then click OK. Okay, then next fail handle. Okay, so then simply fail handle. Then say no issue. Okay, so next, then repeat step 1, 2 and 3 to select cell F9 to F18. Okay, so then go to the auto sum function, then apply, then simply fill. Then say no issue. Okay, so then say no issue. Okay, so next page, blank page. Okay, so next, then type the B6 minus B18. Okay, so then in cell E20. Okay, so then go back and then go to the cell by mistake, then select cell B6, negative sign, and then apply cell B18. Okay, so then say by mistake. Okay, so then simply fail. So then say no issue. So then I will check next screenshot image, then fail handle B20 up to F20. Okay, so then say no issue. Okay, so I will check screenshot image. Okay, so then of the textbook project maximum half is completed. So you know it's so long assignment, but I already completed the assignment. I will submit and I will show students score. So then go back. So then submit the assignment. So I will show students score. Then go back. Then select it and then simply apply. Okay, so I will submit and I will show students score. So I will show. So then say 95 out of 100. Okay, so I will check by mistake. So then refresh the page. Okay, so contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment, and then SS assignment for Sanjay and get all assignment 90 plus score for Sanjay, and I can help you for Excel